Welcome to SC Custom Designs. We're very happy to be doing our first video in some time. We're going to be talking about this MLCS company, woodworking.com, where they're still trying to take advantage of getting this amazing router bit set. It's a New Year's sales of 2019 and to 2020. And it's going to be on sale till February 28th. You're going to want to watch this review to see what you're going to get in this router bit set. I felt it was time for me to move on from my experimental router bit set, which is this here. The beauty of this set here is that you can try these bits out and then figure out, what is it going to work for you. So, dovetails and those types of bits and roundovers and Romanagis, we find good use for these types of router bits. And so basically, I decided to go to the next level. So this is a very inexpensive set, but at least you get to see via the pictures here. If you're really new at this, you're going to appreciate that, what they can do for you. So we have upgraded from this, and I'm going to say this cost maybe 30 bucks. And so we'll set this aside over here, and we're going to unveil what this is here. We're going to open up this box. But first of all, I want to thank my subscribers for asking questions on my channel. Hopefully you're seeing me okay. And essentially, one of our subscribers just asked me a question. They watched my video on positioning the blade on a bandsaw, and it was recommended that you position the blade, which is currently loose. You should loosen up your situation here. Take the stress off of the blade when you're not using it. But essentially, the question was, where is the center of the gullet? Where is the gullet? The back of the gullet. The gullet is the back part of the teeth. In other words, yes, where the teeth stop existing. That's where you want the blade to be, in the middle of your tire. I have a urethane tire. So that gullet needs to be in the middle. All right, so that was the question they had. And then they wanted to know, well, where can I'm about to get a jet, 14-inch. Where do you buy your bits from? Oh, sorry, your bits. I'm doing a router bit show shortly. Where do you buy your blades from? Well, I buy Timberwolf bandsaw blades, Swedish silicone steel. I get them from Suffolk Machinery Corp. Okay, so I believe what I'm seeing here is www.timberwolfblades.com. I get them, they're in upstate New York. Sorry, lower state New York. And they, I have a lot of, I have good experience from this company here. Let's come down here and look at it. Okay, Suffolk Machinery Corp. Okay, so they're in Patchogue, New York. However, I did recommend that they go ahead and call Jet. Jet is really, the staff there is amazing. You'll get, the general mailbox or phone call, where the secretary picks up, what would you like to order? And if you have really specific questions, like how to adjust your bandsaw, they'll get you an engineer. Hey, I'm having problems doing this, that, and the other. All right, I did divert a little bit, but I just want to thank that customer. Whew. It's Friday, friends. And I'm glad it's Friday. I'm in my wood shop. I'm going to set this here, and I really hope it doesn't fall. So essentially, they'll answer your questions. So let's go ahead and unbox this guy. What better to unbox it with than this? So essentially, I really felt like I needed to graduate from the general bits. The nice thing about buying a cheap set of router bits, is you'll get an idea after a short period of time what it is that you are using most of the time. Right? That's how it works. And so you're going to want to go after those bits. Well, they put together this set here And you get a little bonus. You get this little kit here that allows you to work on your router bits. So you put this in here, the router bit in there, 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch shank, and you can work on adjusting your bits, so on and so forth. So this is the holiday bit 1/2 inch shank, router bit quick vise, 66 piece router bit set, 1/2 inch shank, router bit bearing lubricant. Okay, so that's what you just saw here, that little kit and this here. So let's go ahead and set that aside, get out the box. I'm very excited. Oh wow, that's a little bit heavy. It should be. Look in my links below the video, and I'll put the link in for this set here, and then you can go ahead and order it if you think you need to go ahead and get this set. So yeah, I'm really primitive here, and I pick up the most primitive tools to open a thing up. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Plastic off. So basically, this is the company that I bought my horizontal router cable into 3 modular, 2 modular add-ons. Actually, it was 3 because I did an upgrade. So essentially, that's the company that I ordered this from. So let's go ahead and open this up. Again, this is SC Custom Designs. We have around 600 videos. As I pan around my shop, you'll get you can get an idea of what my videos are on. I do reviews of my tools when I buy them. Kind of like I'm doing a review here on this set here. Okay. Sometimes it's the easy things in life that are not so easy. Let's get this box out of here. It doesn't want to let go. There we go. All right, so the first thing I noticed is what I like about doing videos about products that are brand new. I want you to see my experience and my reaction to the videos. So the first thing I noticed is that we can actually hang this guy up on the wall if I want to. This is what it looks like in the front. All right, let's see if you're seeing what I'm saying here on the video. All right, let me move it a little bit closer. MLCS woodworking.com. Router bits. Got their phone number there. So I didn't realize they were giving you this really nice case. It's got the finger joint case there. Let's open it up. All right, there it is. Looks just like the picture. That's a good thing, right? All right, so let's go ahead and... oh, I just like the way everything is leaned this way at an angle so I can pull them out. Some kits you get, it's hard to pull the router bits, just basically pull them out. All right, looks like we have some bearings, various size bearings here, and a little, okay, we'll just forego trying to pull those out. All right, so let's take you off. Again, I'm trying to take the recommendation from my subscribers. Please get a tripod. So here we go. Let's do a little bit of a flyover here. Our first look at this set. I'm very excited to receive this set I'm not sponsored by this company, but I'm sure they're thrilled I'm doing a video on their product. And I'll be sure to let you know through time how happy I am with said product. All right, so wow, you're getting a lot of variety here. Those of you who have been working with router bits for a while, you'll know exactly what these guys are going to do. But what you do get, again, which is really useful, is a picture of what it is the router bit is going to do. All right, some of us work by pictures. Some of us work by text and information we read. I'm a little bit of both. So I'm very excited about getting this. Really, really excited about getting this. And they were really good about, meaning the company, I called in and said, oh man, I can't believe I ordered 1/4-inch shanks. I want 1/2-inch shanks. No problem, sir. They took care of that for me. All right, so my hopes are that I don't knock over the camera, let it fall. Still trying to get used to this this new system here. If it falls, I'm sorry. So I'm very happy about this. Very, very happy about this purchase. There it is, my friends. All right, so one of the router bits you're really going to use a lot is when you need to give that little bit of a round over on an edge of a piece. So for example, even this vise has a little round over on it. So you're going to want to take one of these little round over bits, such as this one here. Let's try to pull it out. Yeah, it's in there. I feel like I need to have gloves on. It's not coming out. Oh, there it goes. All right. So he's going to allow for a really nice round over so that it softens the edges of your furniture. In this case, it's a wood bench. Let's bring it over here a little bit closer. Let's take you off, let's give you some more light. Sorry about that, guys. Let's try to get over in there and have a look. So yeah, that's going to give you that nice little round over on your furniture. All right, let's just set him down in there. Yeah, one last look. We'll be talking more at length about the set as we use the set. And you got to see me unbox it and get a first look at it. Please let me know what you think about this set. We don't mind a little bit of jealousy. And okay, so there we go. Really, really excited about all these bits and what I can do with them. I feel like they didn't waste giving me router bits that I'll never use. So there's really, like for example, these are your, cleaning up edges right here, this guy here. So you put some Formica on, or you're putting on some kind of veneer on the top and you want to clean up the edges, those types of things. All right, so that's a very important bit there. Really cool bits here. Got some dovetail bits there. So yeah, I'm pretty happy about this set. All right, thanks for coming into the shop and seeing the set with me. The next video is going to be about unboxing this guy over here. All right, not the UN 3481. We're going to unbox this set that I got from, I believe it was Home Depot. It is the DCK 287D 1M1. You're getting 2 drills. You're getting a battery for each drill. And you're getting a charger. And if you've been following my series, you know that I've decided to start going to the next level. We've upgraded from the Ryobi with the 18 volt to the DeWalt tools. Okay, so you got your wired sander, wireless sander. You've got the jigsaw. My very first drill, I'm very impressed with DeWalt. The control that you have when you're using that guy is amazing. I'm going to come down here a bit lower, and we're going to see that we have this unit here. Look up the videos. This is a brushless. Of course, all these are brushless motors. I think I'm thirsty. So we did a video on that. Lots of fun doing these. So again, thanks for coming to the shop. A little bit of a short video. Happy Friday. I'm having a 3-day weekend. Good luck to the Super Bowl, the 2 players, the 2 teams, sorry. I'm tired. So enjoy that. Those of you in the U.S. who would like to enjoy those types of things. Take care. God bless. We're going to do our usual goodbyes. Shalom. Masalami. Zaijian. Tot ziens. Bye-bye.